Guys, hi, my name is Josh, also known as Yoshi Bear J. I'm a digital marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to target people that viewed your products on your Facebook Marketplace. So the people that viewed your product listing on Facebook Marketplace. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how you could target those people so they can keep seeing your ads over and over until they buy. But guys, as you know, I don't waste no time. Let's get into the video. So guys, I'm going to show you how to target or retarget people that viewed your products on Facebook Marketplace. A lot of you are selling products, trying to make some extra money on the side, and you want to get rid of stuff in your home. Maybe some of you may even want to sell your home, right? Because that's one thing I've been seeing a lot on Marketplace as well. You can pretty much sell anything on there. And the good thing about this is that you can actually retarget those people again. So sometimes what would happen is that they will see what you're selling, look at your listing, and then disappear and leave. By retargeting, you can follow them. You can follow them, yeah, until they come back and buy from you. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. All you've got to do is this. You click on all tools right here. You click on all tools right here. Then you go to audiences. Audiences right here. As you can see, you're going to see this page right here. All you got to do is click create audience. Then click custom audience. Then you're going to be shown these options. You're going to be shown these options. All you got to do is click here on Facebook listing. As you can see here, it literally says, create an audience of people who interacted with the on Facebook listings from your catalog. All you got to do is click here, then click next. Now, once you've clicked next, you're going to see this option right here. You've got your page, your Facebook page, and the events. As you can see here, the events here says people who viewed products in my catalog. And it says here, when you click this arrow, it says here, include people who viewed a product catalog, a product detail page through your marketplace catalog from both organic and sponsored traffic, basically paid traffic. So even the people that have looked at your marketplace listing organically, just randomly, they'll also be targeted as well. They'll be included in this audience. And then all you got to do, right, is make sure that your audience retention is 180 days, because it's going to capture all the people that have viewed your products or your listing on your marketplace catalog, and it's going to put them into an audience that you can target. Once you've done that, you click here and name the audience. So we're going to name it Marketplace Viewers, FB, for Facebook. Yeah. Then once you've done that, all you got to do is click create audience. And that's it. Done. Then you click done right here. And as you can see, this is the audience right here that we just created. So anyone and everyone that has ever viewed a listing on your Facebook Marketplace will be in this audience. As you can see here, it says populating. They'll be in this audience. Now, to target this audience, all you got to do is this. You then go to all tools, select Adverts Manager right here. Then on this side right here where it says campaigns, you click on campaigns. Then you click create. And you could choose any one of these objectives. I just want to show you where to put that audience that we just created. Click on sales, doesn't matter, but you could choose whichever objective matters to you for your campaign.
then click continue. Then you want to click continue again. Now, this is the campaign level. Where you're going to put that audience is going to be at the ad set level. So you just go to the ad set level, which is the second part, or you can click next, whichever. So to get to the ad set level, you just got to click this ad set level part here, or you can click next, get to this point. Then you scroll down, and then what you want to do is, you see where it says switch to original audience options? You click here. Then you click use original audience. Then you scroll down. And you see where it says custom audience right here? Right here. You just click inside of here. And the audience that we just created is right here. So you click here. And when you do that and you start building out your ads, you'll be targeting these people. That's how you do it. That's how you target people that have viewed your listing on Facebook Marketplace. That's how you do it. Because you have to remember that not everyone's going to buy something straight away. They're going to have a look, they're going to inquire, they're going to think about it, go away for a little bit. But while they're doing that, you want to make sure that they keep seeing your ad saying, hey, buy. It's still available. It's still available. It's still available. Until someone comes along and actually buys your product. So guys, that is literally how you do it. And then you obviously put in your image, your video, and all that stuff. So guys, that's actually how you do it step by step, especially for those of you who are selling products on Facebook Marketplace. This is really going to help you guys. For those of you who need further help with your Facebook ads, with your Instagram ads, click the link in the description and I offer one-to-one consultations where I can basically look at your campaigns. If there's anything wrong, then I can basically just guide you on how to make it perform better. Or if you're just like, you know what, I still don't get it. I actually need someone to actually just walk me through it again on a one-to-one basis. I can do that too. Even run your ads, I can do that too. That's not a problem. Just click the link in the description and reach out to me, and then we can take it from there. But as usual, I'll be back with another video to help you guys in your business. Take care, guys.